In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a picture in PowerPoint quickly and easily using two simple methods. Whether you want the fastest option with your keyboard or prefer using your mouse, I'll walk you through both step by step. This is a really useful PowerPoint skill if you're cleaning up a slide, removing an image you no longer need, or making your presentation look more polished and professional. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first method is the fastest one, and it only takes a second. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the picture you want to remove. Next, click directly on the picture. You'll know it's selected when you see the border or selection handles around it. Once the picture is selected, simply press Delete on your keyboard. If your keyboard doesn't have a delete key, you can also use Backspace. As soon as you press it, the picture will disappear instantly from the slide. That's the quickest way to delete a picture in PowerPoint, and it works great when you want to remove an image without using any menus. Now let's move on to the second method. If you prefer using your mouse or trackpad, this one is just as easy. Again, click on the picture so it becomes selected, then right-click on the image to open the context menu. From there, you can choose Cut or Delete, depending on what options you see in your version of PowerPoint. If you click Delete, the picture will be removed right away. If you choose Cut, the image will be removed from the slide and copied to your clipboard in case you need to paste it somewhere else later. Both methods are simple and both work well, so you can use whichever one feels more comfortable for you. If you're working on a larger presentation, learning these basic actions can save you a lot of time and make editing much easier. And if you ever accidentally delete the wrong picture, remember that you can usually press Ctrl+Z to undo it immediately. So just to recap, the fastest way to delete a picture in PowerPoint is to click the image and press Delete or Backspace. If you want to use your mouse instead, right-click the picture and select Cut or Delete. That's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial helped you remove pictures from your slides with confidence. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips, tricks, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.